Okay, so I've masked my athlete out, and I've also masked my logo out, so you can see that both have been masked. Same process for both. You can do those both right away. Um, you're gonna have to layer them a little bit, but I'm gonna put my logo kind of where it goes. I can even put it off to the side for now. It doesn't really matter. So the athlete's gonna fit. Make sure you have a little space here and here. The bottom should be touching, and this is where we start the next step. So he's in place. Now I'm going to draw in the diagonal colored piece here. So I'm going to grab the Bezier tool, and I want to make sure I have a few settings set properly. Snap to, make sure you have guidelines, snap to guidelines on, and if you want snap to objects as well, and snap to page. Okay, so they're all three on, so that should be fine. And as I use this tool to draw the diagonal box, I'm going to click, and you should see that it snaps everywhere I need it to. At the edge of the page, down at the bottom, all the way over to where this first guideline goes back up diagonally, back to the edge here, and back up to the top. Once I do that, I can fill that shape with the color that I want to. To do that, to fill this shape, I want to use orange. I'm going to use the orange from the logo. So I'm going to select this, add color to palette. I'm going to sample the color, and now that color drops itself down towards the bottom. Now I can drag and drop that color right into place here. Now our ordering needs to change. Obviously this needs to get pushed backwards, and I'm going to put it in front of the background. And that's the other thing too. We've drew our background shape to start with. So just draw a square and snap it to the corner here and to the corner here. Let me fix that there. Okay, and get that all set up. Also make sure that your edges line up and you are in fact in the corners. And I'll adjust that and fix it, make sure it fits really clean all in there. Okay, and so that's the next step, and I can even bring my logo back in now if I want to here, and you can see that it is matching up, fitting right in there where it needs to go. And the next thing we're going to do is add to the logo, because the logo needs to either have a colored or white outline around it, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. And that will also apply to the athlete, where I'll show you how to put the colored edge around the athlete as well. Okay, that step's next.